Sometimes a poorly placed rivet can make a simple job seem impossible. But with the ToolPRO heavy-duty rotating head riveter, you're guaranteed to easily snap those rivets in place, no matter the angle. Just like a regular rivet gun, the ToolPRO heavy-duty rotating head riveter includes a number of interchangeable nose pieces to suit 2.4, 3.2, 4 and 4.8mm rivets. The nose pieces thread tightly into the handle, where they will always be ready when you need them, and a handy spanner tucks away into the comfortable nylon hand grip, making it easy to securely fasten each nose piece. Of course, the standout feature on this rivet gun is the rotating head. You can use it 90 degrees like a regular rivet gun, swivel it 180 degrees to get into those narrow spaces, or use it in any position in between. When the job's done, squeeze the handles together and flick over the handle lock to stow it away neat and tidy. The ToolPRO heavy-duty rotating head riveter is the most versatile and rugged solution for your toolbox. Grab one today at Supercheap Auto.